Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by making a potent infusion. This is the base of growth work. Combine 1 cup fresh or 1/2 cup dried rosemary with 2-3 cups water and simmer 10-15 minutes to extract oils and antioxidants. Once done, make sure to cool slightly before mixing. If you prefer an oil infusion, place rosemary and 2-4 tablespoon carrier oil in a jar. Warm gently in a double boiler for 30-60 minutes to pull active compounds into the oil. Once the infusion or oil is ready, strain and cool to lukewarm so you don't shock the scalp. You will apply 1-2 tablespoon concentrated oil or about 1/4 cup liquid infusion directly to sections of hair, using fingertips to massage briskly for 5-10 minutes. This increases blood flow and helps nutrients reach follicles. Make sure to cover the treated area with a shower cap and let it sit 30-60 minutes. Heat enhances absorption, so use gentle warmth if possible. You finish by rinsing with a mild shampoo unless you left oil overnight for deeper conditioning. Either way, follow with conditioner if needed. Repeat this routine 2-3 times per week and track changes over 8-12 weeks. Hair growth is slow, so consistency matters. Make sure to store oil or infusion in the fridge up to 1 week. If you get redness, burning, or increased shedding, stop immediately, dilute the mixture, reduce frequency, and consult a clinician if symptoms persist.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.